Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to apply for an online debit card with Bank of Baroda, or BoB, in 2025. With digital banking evolving rapidly, getting a debit card from the comfort of your home has never been easier. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to upgrade your finances, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. So, grab a notebook, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and a device like a smartphone or computer. Head over to the official Bank of Baroda website by typing bankofbaroda.co.in into your browser. Once you're there, look for the Login or Register option. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account by providing your basic details like your name, email, phone number, and a secure password. Don't forget to verify your mobile number with the OTP they'll send you. It's a quick security step. Now, after logging in, navigate to the Cards or Debit Card Services section. Here, you'll find an option to apply for a new debit card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to fill out an application form. Enter your personal information accurately, including your address, ID proof like Aadhaar or PAN card, and any other required details. In 2025, BoB might have enhanced features, so keep an eye out for options like choosing your card type, whether it's a standard one or something with contactless payments or rewards. Next up, upload the necessary documents. This could include a scanned copy of your ID and address proof. Make sure the files are clear and in the accepted formats, like PDF or JPEG, to avoid any delays. Once everything is filled out, double-check your details for accuracy. It's easy to miss a typo. Then, hit the Submit button. You'll receive a confirmation email or SMS with a reference number, so keep that safe. After submission, the bank will review your application, which usually takes a few business days. In 2025, with advanced AI, this might be even faster. Once approved, your debit card will be dispatched to your address or activated virtually. Remember, always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for security. There you have it. That's how you apply for a BoB debit card online in 2025. It's straightforward, convenient, and empowers you financially. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and bank smart. See you next time.